So we reached Miami, and here is the wings over Miami. It's like a museum of World War II and World War I memorabilia, and they have a lot of plane stuff. This is actually near the executive airport of Miami, and here is the entrance, and here are rotary engines and the Boxer. This is like the engine on the Beetle and on the Subaru. And the machine guns with the Browning. Look, the Browning machine gun. Now imagine how they were fighting with all the equipment in the 40s. Looks quite high tech. And the lathe. Oh, this is an airframe. And this is for a hot air balloon. We have a video of the hot air balloon. We've been there some years ago near Barcelona. You know, in Serbia, after the Americans bombed Serbia, they left a lot of these tanks, and you can see them on the side of the road in some villages. Man, but this one is a beast. We could do it all over. Bringing us closer. This is a training aircraft. Orion. And Trajan Vujas machine. We actually had our own Orville and Wright brothers. To me, all these old ones, they look like the Messerschmitt. And this is the inside of the engine. And the inside of the plane. Look at the person sitting there. You can see the seat over there. Arlen Ness actually made a motorcycle with an engine like this. He put it on a motorbike. It's called the radial engine, because it's in a circle. Yeah. Man, but these are definitely some crappy seats that they were using. Not that great. And look, a tug. And the hydroplane, well, it's kind of logical because here in Florida there's a lot of water, so then they kind of use them. The Beechcraft. Here they come landing. It's very used, this I was actually looking online for some airplanes, and one of these ones from the 60s, it was around 60,000. They're very expensive machines. These were all donated. This was created by some guy that fought in the war. And look, POWs and all the branches of the military, I guess. These kind of look like the cartoon cars, no? A lot of old stuff. Jerry cans, the ammo cans, radio, helmets. I think these might be fuel tanks. For aromatic fuel and essential oils. You know that in the 60s they used to build all of them like this in stainless steel, and then they stopped, and then Elon Musk came, and now they start doing them again out of stainless steel. You know that the Starship looks kind of like this. Yeah. Ah, and this is the glider. Sailplane. Ah. Kind of makes sense. A lot of machinery. Some military costumes. So this is interesting. It's like a flight plan for a flight going from Brussels. It's like a log to Raleigh, North Carolina. So you can see it was American Airlines from the 90s. The forecast, the flight distance, when it took off, when it landed, and the route that it took. Like on the sail ships, you keep a log every now and then. And this is another one from May 6, 95. And they took off from Rio and went to Miami. Took 8 hours. Better than walking. Is it only me, or I think that the old Iberia branding looked much nicer than what they have now? And the Panam, and the Compañía Cubana de Aviación. And a bomb. Oh no, it's a bomb. Because of the AC, these wings are, the propellers are turning. And this is the Enola Gay, and look where they put it. Right on top of the place where the people sit. Oh, look at the ceiling, it's all clouds. This was our visit to the Wings over Miami, the museum. Also, the guy was saying inside that when Hurricane Andrew came in the 90s, it took apart this hangar that you can see beside me, and they had to remake it, basically. It's very nice. So I think if you're here, it's definitely worth it. I don't know, it's like $15, almost nothing. It's less than a breakfast in Coconut Grove.